Oh my god, for real?
3, 2, 1. Hey guys, Kim is here. Like a surprise?
Yes, I'm so excited.
What would you say we let luck decide your next cut?
Yeah, I am down for that, but I'm also a little bit scared.
Well, Kim,
Okay.
my pick or your pick?
Okay. So if I pick my pick, I decide. If you pick, you decide my hair, my whole haircut.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay. This one.
Haha. I can pick. There's a buzz cut.
Oh my god, for real?
Yeah. Or we leave it a little bit longer.
No, I'm gonna pick the right one again.
Okay. I'm not telling you.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
What are we picking now?
Can you watch? Or do we cover the mirror?
This I'm the same.
Haha.
But you laugh. I can't watch for now.
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
There are two colors and I'm not telling which one.
3 times the charm. The right one's more. Okay.
That's interesting.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, do you like green? And just like that, it's covered. Nervous?
Yes.
The buzz? Or the gut?
Let's go. Let's go.
You don't know what's happening right now.
Oh my god. I literally have sweaty hands right now. What the hell? Oh my god, Renee. That is so much.
That's short. Ho, ho, ho.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, this is fun. Actually, I'm a little nervous too.
Really?
Yeah, what if you say, oh, I hate it? Wait.
What? Oh, you keep doing this. When you look at it, you can really see how long my hair actually was.
Was. Indeed.
Yeah.
This is fun.
The thing is, I also don't know if, like, if you do a buzz cut, if you
Yeah.
first do short, like first you get rid of a lot of hair, and then you do the close shave. But you got this, right?
No.
Yes, you do.
Great.
Oh, if this is the moment. You know, it's even scarier because in a couple of days I'm gonna go on holiday. So whatever you're doing is gonna be all over my holiday pictures, my Instagram. And also if the color is a color I've never had, maybe I need to last minute repack my bag because I do want it to match my outfits.
But you can just post pictures in black and white.
But the color will suit me, right? I won't have to.
I don't know. Green?
Oh, I've never had green.
Okay, I promised you,
Yes.
you're not allowed to touch the top,
Okay.
but you can feel your neck.
Okay. But this is really short. I know that all my hair that was here is gone. So this is gone. But I feel something here. Actually. This feels nice though.
Oh, does it feel nice?
Yeah, well,
That's
for my
great.
fingers. I hope it also looks good.
I don't know yet.
Is this the moment?
I'm not telling you anything.
Or do I bother asking? It's also scary because the last time I saw myself without bangs was when I was like 15, I think. Maybe I don't even know the shape of my forehead anymore.
Oh, you'll see it in 3 hours.
What if my forehead is a weird shape, Renee? What then?
Yeah, then you're screwed. It isn't.
No, you said I could handle it if it happens.
Oh, you can open them.
Oh, you're just gonna look there.
Oh boy, that's short.
Let the hair fall when it crumbles.
You're all over the place.
I will stand tall. We'll face it all together.
Yeah, we'll face it.
When hair falls. Yeah.
So we're in the rounding off phase.
Okay. So then
And can you feel how close I am?
I can feel how close you are.
Here.
Are you hiding the evidence? Oh no! Oh my god! Is this all from the top only? If my head is actually right now my entire own hair color, I'm gonna be so weirded out when I see this video once you post it. Because then I can't see it, and by the end of today, it's colored in some color, so I'm never gonna see it until the video comes out.
All right, Kim.
Yes.
Let's do some color.
Let's do
Ready
some
for
color.
it?
Let's go.
How are the nerves?
Actually, right now I'm pretty chill, but I don't think it realizes what's going on. So much precision work right now.
Close your eyes. There we go.
Give me your hand, darling. I can't stop. All the songs.
Yes, that's it.
All right.
Ready for it?
Here we go. How are you going to do it? Rip it off.
Close your eyes. I'm going to pull away the cape.
All right. So shall we count down together? Like do 3, 2, 1, and then I open my eyes?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god! Oh, it's so short. Oh, I love the color. Oh, now I'm out of healing. I'm still gonna do it. This is awesome! Oh my god, Renee! Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Wait, do it again. I'm not done. I barely saw the back. Oh my god, it's so short. Yeah, right. So this is what I felt, but then I thought on top maybe it was just as short as this. Oh my. I look cool.
Great.
I look cool.
Now I have to beep that.
I look really cool.
I'll beep it out. Well, that's it, guys. We're done. What a super cool change. See you guys in the next one.
Bye-bye.